What's up, Glam Squad? It's me, Glamour Teresa here, and I blinged out another pair of Crocs. Stay tuned so you can see how I did them. What you're looking at now are all the items that I plan on using to make these Crocs. I'm sure I won't be using every single thing, but just in case. I will also leave a list of all the items that I use in the description, okay? If you have any questions, please ask. I do answer all questions and respond to everything in my comment section, okay? Also, if you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please hit that subscribe button so you can become a member of the Glam Squad, okay? Thanks for watching. What you're looking at now, I had a pair of jeans that I didn't want anymore. So instead of getting rid of them or giving them away, I kept them. I cut pieces out. I get a razor blade, slice them up, put them in my hand, rub them together, kind of give them that frizzy look. And what I'm doing right now is I'm mapping it out, trying to see exactly where I want to place it. I got this iron-on patch, this hard, that I'm incorporating into this. And now when I figure out how I want it, then I'll glue it down.
This time it was all good till the love cave in, girl.
Okay, so now that I got that glued down, I'm going to start adding my jibbitz. I'm not gonna hold you. This one here gave me a hard time trying to stick it in the hole, but I did.
I was trying to give you all you need, didn't see the blindfold. All them nights, all for that time. Can't believe it was all just a game. You really took my heart for a drive. I remember when you were all in for us. I recall when you said you never loved someone like this, telling me lies. You had someone else, now you running back. It was all good till the love gave in, girl. Yeah, I'll never fall for your type again, girl. No. I know that it's love takes over your mind. Yeah, won't get me this time. Lost trust in a dime. She's seen all the signs. I thought you were mine, I was blind. I remember when you were all in for us. I recall when you said you never loved someone like this, telling me lies. You had someone else, now you running back. It was all good till the love gave in, girl. I'll never fall for your type again, girl. No.
Woo, child. This little jibbit got on my nerve. But it's cute, though.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my
And just so you know, I already sanded the shoe before I even started the video.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
On to kind of help hold it down into place. And then the pink thing that you see me holding is the fan that I use to kind of help dry it a little faster, okay?
Tambourine, bring the bass, we might be wicked.
So right now I got the little black things in my hand, the spaces. I'm going to put them in the hole that way there are no holes visible in the crop, okay? Alright, now it's time to start adding the trimming to the shoe.
Yeah. Oh, ooh yeah. Amaru, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she mine. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, eh. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah, eh. She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention. Yeah, hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah, all of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, they be alright. Yeah, can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, eh. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah, eh. Yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind, let me help you. Yeah, let me give you the moments in your life to step to. Fly away together. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, eh. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah, eh.
The glue will make the letters slide out of place, so I just gotta align it correctly, and then I'll use that fan to try to help dry the glue so the letters will stop sliding.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting.
I decided to put the silver chain on the top of the jean before I filled the shoe in.
But we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's soon, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's soon, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's soon, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
And just like that, I am done. Please like, comment, subscribe if you will, okay? Thanks again for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to be a blessing.